Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy domains in bulk at the best price possible if you want to send cold emails. So you will see how to find interesting domains for cold emails, how to buy domains in bulk, and how to get the best price possible, which is actually very important if you need to buy a lot of domains. So if you need to buy domains in bulk because you want to send cold emails, this video is for you. So there are two domains providers that I recommend you to use. The first one is Namecheap and the second one is Spaceship. There isn't much difference between these two providers. The price is almost the same. It's just a bit cheaper on Spaceship. And by the way, if you want to get the best prices available, either for Namecheap or Spaceship, you have two links in the description. So one for Namecheap and one for Spaceship. So if you want to buy some domains, you just need to click the links in the description. So that being said, I will use Spaceship to buy 3 domains. And why Spaceship? It's because it's cheaper than Namecheap. So once you click the link in the description for Spaceship, you will be on this page. And now what we need to do is to write here a domain name, and I recommend you to write your main domain because from this main domain we will find variations. So in my case I write give me leads, and here I click on beast mod. The next step is to select our extensions. So for that I recommend you to click on clear all, and here we say that we want .com. So this one .com. Then I scroll, and here I click here on prefix and suffix. So I toggle this button, and here we say that we want to use the prefix use, get, the. So I don't want this one. Meet, I don't want this. And I will add try, like this. And suffix, I will just keep HQ. And finally, the last options I want is of course to add premiums. So basically a premium domain is an expensive domain. And on top of that, we want to hide unavailables. Then I go here on the top and I click on generate. And you see that with these filters, I have 3 results. So get givemeleads.com, try givemeleads.com, and use givemeleads.com. And you see that the price is perfect, so less than $9. Now what I want to do is to buy these domains. So for that I click on add all to cart, and then I click on my cart. Then here Spaceship tries to sell more things, but we don't care, so we click on continue. So for 3 domains I need to pay only $27. So I click on checkout. And now, of course, what we need to do is to create our Spaceship account. So I don't have an account right now, so I click here on sign up. Here we need to give some informations. Then I click on next. Now I need to give a password. And I click on sign up. Now here I need to enter a 6-character code that I've just received in my mailbox. So here you see Spaceship. And here I have my code. So I copy, then I paste, and then I click on verify. Finally, what we need to do is to add a payment method. So in my case, I will use a credit card. Finally, once you are ready to pay, you just need to click on pay now. And now you see that we have our 3 domains. Try givemeleads.com, get givemeleads.com, and use givemeleads.com. So this is how you buy domains in bulk. Now, as I told you, if you want to get the best price available when you buy domains, you just need to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see the next step, so basically how to create mailboxes, I've made a complete tutorial on that. So if you want to see this video, you just need to click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.